Hello everyone, welcome to my course Introduction to Linux Command. Today we're going to see some more command. Now I will going to show you today the command that we use it to check the disk uses by current working directory or current directory. So for that you just need to first type pwd. Pwd command will going to give you what is your current working directory. Current working directory is home Ubuntu demo. Now you check how many disk uses means the storage occupied by this directory. So just use du command, press enter. So it will showing you something 8, right? It is in the form of byte, it is occupying it. You can check it from here also. Click on home, click on demo, click on this property. So you can see it's showing 131 one item. So it is inside this demo. If you go and you click on this property, so it's showing you the size is 131 byte. So it is showing you the du command. This du command is showing you something that a disk storage means how much is your disk it is using, how many time it is attempting to the disk, right? So it is showing you 8. So let's run some more command. So see, this is some coming inside this. Means how many disk is occupying here, how many time your Ubuntu is using the disk. So for the different file, it is showing you different in term of memory. You can check it also. You can copy it in some file and you can check it how much they are occupying the space, which command, which file. So like that you can cross check also. Let me check it here. You can copy paste and check it here. Like how much space are occupied by any file on which folder. So based on that, this is a complete disk usage. Means how many disk means what are the files that occupy the disk, your hard disk. So with this du command, you can check it. And when you run this du xhs hyphen disk command, when you run this command du xh hyphen sorry this tilt operator, this will give you the number of files you have done and those are occupying how much space. So let me first clear this. Now I wanted to check for few files. So let me do. So maximum depth free why I've added so that du can take because previously du was taking a lot of time. So with this max depth free, you can just give a depth free means in the tree hierarchy, it is going to give you the space occupied by few files, not written there. So you can just pass depth free. So this is the difference that it will going to show you the disk occupied by the certain files. So that depth free when you will pass, it will occupy less time as compared to the previous command that we have done. Which command? du xh tilt operator. This will occupy more time to give you detail, but if you use max depth to kill three depth of your tree hierarchy, it will going to show you. So let me clear once again. Okay. Now let's see if you wanted to copy any file from the demo directory to another directory. First of all, let's see what's our present working directory. Demo, right? Inside the demo, what file you have? Sorry, ls d.txt. Let me come back to the previous. Now, what is my present working directory? Home Ubuntu. Inside this, how many files you have? btxt, ctxt. Let me open any file. I'm opening text file a.txt. So inside this line is there. Okay. Now I wanted to copy this a.txt to demo.txt. How I will going to do that? In order to do this, We just need to type or just copy this file a.txt. Okay, let's try to do that. Sorry, I typed the wrong command. Here txt will come. Now, if I wanted to check demo, okay, so still the file is not copied to this path. Now let's do with another thing. So how we can do that? Let's another way of doing that. So cp hyphen v a.txt, which is the name of my file. I wanted to copy this a.txt to download folder or like dir1. So let's pause dir1. I'm pressing enter. Okay, here it is giving error. No such file or directory. Okay, we are in the download. Okay. So let me come back. For this, you need to type cd order. Now you uh, do this step. Now in this, we have a file. Let me run. So we have a a.txt also here. I wanted to copy this to this directory one. So let's run this command. So now let's check cd dir1. Now press ls to see we have copied it. So in order to copy the file to any directory, you need to use cp command, which is stand for copy, and we will give you the message that this is file is copied into the directory one. So I hope it is clear to you how you can use the copy command. Let's try one more file. For that, what we can do is, let me come back again. Then I wanted to copy b.txt also inside directory one. Now I will go to the directory ls command. So see, both files are copied here, A and B. Earlier, these files were the copy of this a.txt, b.txt, which is in the path. Which path it will be? Home Ubuntu. It was in a home Ubuntu path. Copy from that now to what is the present working directory? Home Ubuntu dir1. These two files earlier means it was in the home Ubuntu means the copy of this file will be going to copy home Ubuntu directory one. So I hope it is clear and it is informative for you how to use the copy command in the Linux. We're going to see some more command in our next video. With them.